Good morning. I am Vanshika, student of Modern Era Academy.
Good morning. I am Krishna, the student of Modern Era Academy.
You know, today is very special day for all of us. We are eagerly waiting for it.
Vansika, what's so special about today?
Oh my God, Krishna, you don't know? You forgot? Try to remember. Today is very special day for all of us. What do you wait for after participating in any program?
Oh, I remember. Today is the prize distribution for those who had participated in various programs of Republic Day.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. The shining stars of Modern Era Academy are eagerly waiting.
So, don't make them wait now. Let's start. But before starting the prize distribution ceremony, we would like to call Director Sir to please come on the stage and share some of his valuable words to inspire these shining stars of the Modern Era Academy.
Put your hand together and give a big round of applause for Akhilesh, the director sir.
So respected teachers of Modern Era Academy and the shining stars of this school, I am very thankful to you all because it was the hard work of yours, all the teachers, and definitely it was the dedication of these small kids who have made this program so effective. मैं तहे दिल से आप सभी शिक्षकों का और साथ ही साथ इन छोटे छोटे बच्चों का धन्यवाद देता हूं जिन्होंने रिपब्लिक डे के इस फंक्शन को इतना इंटरेस्टिंग बना दिया. It was the hard efforts, dedication of all the teachers who has made this program so entertaining, interesting and informative. The teachers, you have worked day and night. Your tireless effort was something which made this program effective. So सभी शिक्षकों, आप लोगों का कभी न थकने वाला एक जज्बा, एक जुनून जिसने रिपब्लिक डे के इस प्रोग्राम को इतना यादगार बनाया. But at the same time, we should never forget that the children, these small kids, they have also kept their dedications and hard work. आप लोगों की मेहनत के साथ साथ ये जो छोटे बच्चे बैठे हैं, इनके समर्पण और सीखने का जुनून उतना ही महत्वपूर्ण था. See, I am also a teacher and I know it very well that if I am teaching them the way I want to teach, but they are not in a position to adopt it, then it would be very difficult to teach them. मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ और एक शिक्षक होने के नाते मैं ये जानता हूँ कि आप कितने भी कोशिश कर लीजिए, अगर आपके सामने जो बच्चा खड़ा है वो उन चीजों को अगर अडॉप्ट नहीं करता तो लाख कोशिशों के बावजूद भी वो रिजल्ट्स नहीं आते. बट यू ऑल हैव प्रिपेयर्ड देम एंड दे पुट द सेम परफॉर्मेंस इन द रिपब्लिक डे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्पीचेस एंड डांसेस. दिस इज ओनली बिकॉज दे केप्ट देयर डेडिकेशन देयर. लेकिन आप लोगों ने जितनी कोशिश करी इन बच्चों को तैयार करने के लिए, इन बच्चों ने भी उतनी ही ईमानदारी से, उतने ही समर्पण से उन चीजों को तैयार किया और हूबहू रिपब्लिक डे के उस फंक्शन में उन चीजों को उतार दिया जिससे वह रिपब्लिक डे यादगार बन गया. नाउ वी ऑल आर द पार्ट ऑफ स्कूल एंड इन ए स्कूल अ चाइल्ड केम टू लर्न समथिंग. ही लर्न हियर, ही प्रैक्टिस इट and then he perform. एक स्कूल में एक बच्चा कुछ सीखने के लिए आता है, वह सीखता है, प्रैक्टिस करता है और फिर परफॉर्म करता है. So being a teacher, this is our responsibility as well as our duty that we take care of their performances. We need to be a proper teacher so that we can teach them the way by which they can ready for the future. एक शिक्षक होने के नाते हमारा ये कर्तव्य है कि जो भी बच्चा हमारे प्रांगण में आए उसको हम प्रॉपर टीचिंग के तहत भविष्य के लिए तैयार करें. See, it is not possible that each and every student of a school can participate in any program. The same thing happens here also. किसी भी स्कूल के प्रोग्राम में सारे बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाते, कुछ ही बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। एंड व्हेन अ चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू पार्टिसिपेट, there is always a chance of failure there. It is a life lesson, and it's not for the kids only, it's for everyone. In every aspect of our life, we prepare ourselves to perform, but failure is also something which go hand by hand. हम अपने जीवन में तैयारियां करते हैं, लेकिन हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि असफलता हमारे जीवन का एक हिस्सा है जो जीत के साथ साथ जरूर चलेगी। So, being a teacher, what we need to train them? एक शिक्षक होने के नाते हमें उन्हें ट्रेन करने की जरूरत है कि never afraid of failure. कभी भी असफलताओं से डरे नहीं और घबराए नहीं, because this is the part of our life. So, and this failure is not only a thing that we need to train them. In our everyday life also, we have a chance to get failure. So what is important? महत्वपूर्ण क्या है? What is important? See, we need to train ourselves and the students to learn something new every day, practice it, and then perform it. And this is not for them only. This is also for we all. Being a human being, if we want to grow in our life, what we have to do? We have to learn new things whenever we get a chance. We need to practice it, and in our life, whenever we get a chance to perform, we should perform. जीवन में हम जहाँ कहीं भी हो, जब कभी भी हमें कुछ नया सीखने का मौका मिले, तो हम सीखें, उसका अभ्यास करें, और जब कभी भी हमें वो चांस मिले कि हम परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं, तो वी शुड डेफिनेटली पार्टिसिपेट. This is the only way of getting success in your life. See, when you practice, perform, then one day you become the better version of yourself. जब हम नई चीजों को सीखते हैं, उसका अभ्यास करते हैं और मौका मिलने पे परफॉर्म करते हैं, तब हम अपने आप का ही एक बेटर वर्जन बनते जाते हैं. So what I mean to say that today, see, I am here. If I am learning the new things, practicing it, and getting a chance, I am performing. Then today I am here. I will go 1 or 2 steps ahead in my life. कोई भी बच्चा जो आज सीख रहा है, अभ्यास करेगा, परफॉर्म करेगा, तो आज अगर वो यहाँ है, तो आज से 2, 4, 6 महीने के बाद वो यहाँ होगा. Again the new things will come in his life. फिर उसके जिंदगी में कुछ नई चीजें आएंगी जिसे उसे सीखना है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है, मौका मिलने पे परफॉर्म करना है. And this way, definitely the day will come in your life when you become the successful person of the world. और तब आपके जीवन में वो समय आएगा जब आप इस दुनिया के एक सफलतम लोगों की श्रेणी में गिने जाओगे. So this is something which I wanted to convey you all. ये वो सारी बातें थी जो मैं आप सबों को कन्वे करना चाहता था. At the end, again I would like to thank each and every member of Modern Era Academy family. It's the teacher, it's the non-teaching staff, or it's the student of this school. Once again, thank you all. My best wishes are always with you, and I want that everyone will grow in their life. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for enlightening us with your valuable insight, which would definitely help us to grow. Now, I would like to call one of my classmates, Arj, to please come on the stage and share some of his valuable thoughts and views with all of us.
Give a big round of applause for my classmate.
Good morning, Honorable Director, Principal Sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Hans, student of Modern Era Academy. Today I am here to draw your attention towards an interesting style of education. Being a student, I feel that we should understand and feel the language in which we are studying, and we should have the correct knowledge of their language. Most of us study in English medium schools, and most of our books are written in English. Being a student, what I personally feel is that most of us are not in the position to understand and feel the language English. This is the main difficulty which comes in the life of an educational student. But I thank God that I have not to face this problem because I have sent to Modern Era Academy. Here we have taught how to understand and learn English. Here we have taught the basic fundamental structures of English which help us to make our English subjects such as science, literature, social science and many more very simple and understandable. But in most of our school, the students only flip the pages and see the graphics which are drawn on the book, as they could not understand the language which is written in their books. But I thank God with my heart that I had not to face this difficulty. My parents had sent me to Modern Era Academy. Now it's your turn. It's the question of your child's future. Take the right decision. With these words, I am going to stop myself here. Thank you very much for giving your precious time and listening patiently.
I am happy with the statement of us. It is true that the language in which we are studying is most important to understand. If we will understand the language, then only we can enjoy our study.
मैं अंश की इन बातों से सहमत हूँ। ये सच है कि अगर हम लोग अंग्रेजी समझेंगे तभी हम लोग अपने सारे सब्जेक्ट को एंजॉय कर पाएंगे और अंडरस्टैंड कर पाएंगे।
Now I would like to call Fuser to please come on the stage and share some of his valuable words to inspire this standing staff from the Maharashtra.
Put your hand together for Piyush sir.
Good morning, sir and ma'am, and my all students. Myself, Piyush Vishwakarma. I hope you have a great day. Today, I am here to talk about a very important topic: discipline. Discipline. The discipline is the key of success. It helps us achieve our goals and make our dreams. When we are disciplined, we are able to manage our time and stay focused. We are able to develop good habits and overcome obstacles. डिसिप्लिन, अनुशासन। अनुशासन एक सफलता की कुंजी है, एक चाबी है जो हमारे जीवन में एक व्यक्तित्व की पहचान देती है कि एक व्यक्तित्व जो हर किसी के जीवन में जरूरी है। डिसिप्लिन, अनुशासन। मैं अनुशासन के बारे में एक एग्जाम्पल लेना चाहूंगा, एक व्यक्तित्व के बारे में, सर स्टीव जॉब्स के बारे में, जो एप्पल कंपनी के फाउंडर हैं। उन्होंने अपने लाइफ में अनुशासन को बहुत बड़ा महत्व दिया है। सर स्टीव जॉब्स एप्पल कंपनी का फाउंडर, वो जब अपने कॉलेज के समय में थे तभी से अपने जीवन में अनुशासन को महत्व दिया है। जो बचपन से ही अपने अनुशासन को महत्व दिया है, इस समय उसकी नाम इस समय पूरा वर्ल्ड के बारे में जाना जाता है। पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट कंपनी में से एक एप्पल कंपनी आती है। उनके जीवन में एक सबसे महत्वपूर्ण हर स्पीच में, हर एक उनका परफॉर्मेंस में उन्होंने एक ही चीज को महत्वपूर्ण बनाया, अनुशासन, डिसिप्लिन। डिसिप्लिन इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट फॉलोइंग रूल्स, it about following self-control and responsibility. It about being communicated our goals and hard working to achieve them. Remember, discipline is a habit and can be developed practice and patience. So let's make a discipline a part of life. Thank you.